Welcome. Today we'll learn how to calculate a 20% discount on $40 using a calculator. Let's break this down into three simple steps. Step 1. Convert the percentage to a decimal. To convert 20% to a decimal, we move the decimal point 2 places to the left, giving us 0.2. Step 2. Multiply the decimal by the original price. 0.2 times $40 equals $8. This is our discount amount. Step 3. Subtract the discount amount from the original price. $40 minus $8 equals $32. This is your final sale price. Let's review the steps. First, we converted 20% to 0.2. Then, we multiplied $40 by 0.2 to get the $8 discount. Finally, we subtracted $8 from $40 to get our final price of $32. And that's how you calculate a 20% discount. Remember, you can use these same steps to calculate any percentage discount. Thank you for watching.